Hello guys, today I show you how to cut out uh, the background out of Converse. So this is, we need only this. So we don't need this transparency. It is, the pixel is transparency. I don't need this one. So how to trim it easily, fast? Just go to the image, click on trim. Make sure you transparent pixel. So this is transparent pixel, and this is top, this is bottom, this is left, and this is right. Example, if you click on the left and right, it will trim not bottom and up, just trim on left and right. Example, you click OK, see, it trim on the left and right, but top and bottom it doesn't. So I control Z, then go to image again, trim, I click all, top, bottom, left, right. So okay, you see, that's cool. So the trim is, it's so cool, it doesn't affect our inside canvas, you see here. But if you drop here, it might be effect or it example, or it's affect our inside canvas. So use trim is so efficiency, yeah. So it's, you see, it's not good, yeah. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.